Hi and welcome back to Dirtbike Magazine's video series, The 19s, where we take you up close and personal with all the 2019 motocross models. Today we get a chance to ride the 2019 KX250. Yes, you heard that right, KX250. No, it's not a two-stroke, but Kawasaki has dropped the F. The 2019 model didn't get very many changes. As a matter of fact, the only major difference between the 18 and the 19 model is the different colored radiator shrouds and the embossed graphics. Everything else is relatively unchanged. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. The Kawi is always one of the test riders' favorite bikes to ride, doing just about everything well and nothing poorly. The bike has loads of adjustability, a single function spring fork up front, adjustable mapping couplers, launch control, adjustable triple clamps with Renthal bars. The bike also comes with black rims, Dunlop MX3S tires, and green accents throughout, including a green airbox. So that's enough talking. If you want all the in-depth information on this machine, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com. It's time to go ride this thing. So first day of testing done on the 2019 KX250. Not a big surprise here. The bike hadn't really changed since last year. There is a couple things that you can't help but notice right away. There's no electric start. In this day and age, one of only 2 motorcycles that doesn't have an electric start. We're thinking it's coming next year with the big changes that they made to the 450, but you never know. The grips seem to shred all of our test riders' hands to hamburger. It's a real plasticky feel. They've been the same for the last couple years. The bike definitely has a raspy sound to it. You know when you're coming around on the track. But with that being said, this bike people like to ride. It's a fun motorcycle to ride. It doesn't do anything outstanding, but it doesn't do anything horribly wrong. And it's able to fit a wide variety of test riders and riding styles with all the adjustability that the motorcycle has. Again, this is just the first day of testing on the 2019 Kawasaki KX250. We plan on putting a lot more time on this motorcycle. We're waiting on a couple more 250s and then it's straight into shootouts. For the full test on the 2019 Kawasaki KX250, check out an upcoming issue of Dirtbike Magazine. And for more 2019 motorcycle news, go to dirtbikemagazine.com. If you're interested to see what we thought about the 2019 KTM 250 or Yamaha 250, check these out.